Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video I would like to show you the catalog expansion with regard to the North American standards. As you can see here, I prepared 3 sheet metal parts as examples and provided them with information. The sheet thickness is given in gauge. The smaller the gauge, the thicker the sheet. You can see this in the measurement. In addition, the sheets have a US material. The text below shows you the familiar equivalent. In addition to the sheets and materials, there are also a number of new processes. At the top left are some of the ASTM holes. Next to it you can see the revised threads UMC and UMF. UMC describes the standard thread, UMF the fine thread. Among them are the countersinks for countersunk screws with a 100-degree head shape. In addition, there are the countersunk screws for the 82-degree head shape. So that you can connect parts accordingly, there are a handful of screws in the catalog. Here you can see all ASTM screws in 1.5 inches. Of course, nuts and washers should not be missing. For example, in mechanical engineering you need smaller screws in a different form. Therefore, among the user libraries you will find the standard parts of the company Fastenal. Using the example of a sheet metal, I would like to show you something else. For this purpose I create a base plate and select a semi-finished product. Here is the table ISD US bending plate in which the sheets from 3 to 30 gauge are located. The table shows you the values in inches as shown above. For the sheet I choose 5 gauge. Below I choose another material. Normal steels, aluminium alloys and stainless steels are available. I choose the stainless steel. The dialog boxes show you the dimension in the corresponding construction unit as you move over them. The measurement can also be in another unit. For the width, for example, I enter 10 inches. The preview is updated when confirming with Enter. For the depth, I used a mixed input, maybe 2/9 inch plus 10 millimeters. It looks a bit too small. Then we turn millimeters into centimeters. Yes, that looks better that way. This allows you to use inch entries directly during generation and does not have to convert cumbersomely. Finally, let's take a look at the catalog editor. Here I choose the ASTM hexagon head screws to show you the column properties on an existing table. In the column LN you can see the lengths of the screws. And as you can see from the properties in the unit millimeter, even if you create new columns, you can set a category for floating point numbers. Different units are available for each category. Thus you can also use non-metric units in the catalog without prior conversion. That's it for the short clip. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun designing with HiCAD. See you soon.